In the modern urban garden, space is at a premium. Many gardeners and homeowners simply don't have enough. Therefore, making use of every piece of available space makes perfect sense, and vertical spaces provide a fantastic opportunity to add all the benefits that living, breathing green life provides. Building and installing a vertical garden can be a little intimidating to a lot of people. This is where the Holman Green Wall Vertical Planting Kit comes in. They provide all the benefits of a vertical garden without any of the drama or stress. Engineered in Australia, the Vertical Garden Kit comes complete with an inbuilt watering system to make maintenance as simple as possible. The irrigation system has been designed to deliver controlled amounts of water into each individual pot through pressure compensated drippers. The units can be installed on fences or walls, and a basic drill is all you need. Being a modular system means the vertical garden can be easily expanded over time, increasing your green life cover and improving the urban environment. Once the frame has been mounted onto the fence or wall, the removable pots can be planted up with your choice of plants. You can use succulents, herbs, ferns, or even natives, or why not a mix of all of them? Today we're using a range of flowering and foliage plants supplied by our friends at Floraplant. Remember to use a premium potting mix and water in with a seaweed solution. The pots can be simply clipped in and out of place, giving the gardener a real opportunity to get creative. A benefit of using removable pots is that the gardener has the ability to easily change over the plants and planting design to move with the season and prevailing trends. Vertical gardens, like all gardens, require maintenance. Fertilising, pruning and pest control are all important to keep your stunning green wall looking as good as possible. Adding a living green wall to a vertical space has so many benefits, including noise suppression and cooling of the environment. With the Holman Green Wall Vertical Planting Kit, it is so simple and easy to do.